Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I will show you how to make these gorgeous twisted headbands or ear warmers. They are neat look and they are ribbed, which gives them the neat look of the headband. It's a very quick and very easy pattern. I bet you can make a bunch of them just in a day. You can finish one in 1 hour or maybe less. It's very easy. In the video I will show you the adult size, but I will tell you how to adjust the pattern so it will suit for each size. So let's start with the pattern, but before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the ring the bell button so you will be notified whenever we have a new video tutorial for you. So let's start with the materials. This is the headband. I will show you the two colored headband for the video because it will be easier for you to see the stitches. For these samples I used Bernat premium yarn. This one is Bernat premium tweeds and this one is in solid colors. It is 4-weight. Let me show you. It is 4-weight medium yarn. On the label it says 5mm crochet hook. For the pattern I will use 5.5mm crochet hook. You will need a tapestry needle with a bigger loop, with a bigger opening, a pair of scissors and measuring tape. So let's start with the pattern. As I said, I will use two colors, but you can make it with only one color, like this, or you can use tweeds or self-stripe yarn. It depends all on you. So let's start with the pattern itself. As I said in the video, I will show you the adult size. So for the adult size we need to make the headband 20 inches, but as the pattern has a twist in the middle, it will take 2 inches from our headband or ear warmer. So we will make it to fit 22 inches before the twist, and we need to start with foundation chain of 80 chains. Start by chaining 80. 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make the foundation chain a bit loose. Do not tighten your chains too much. I finished my foundation chain and now we will start with row 1. The whole pattern is worked only with half double crochet stitch, but we will work into the third loop of our half double crochet after the first row. So let's start. Make half double crochet into the fourth chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will work into the fourth chain, but I will not work in the regular chain here loop. I will turn my foundation chain and we will work into the back bump here. So yarn over, insert your hook into this bump here, yarn over again and pull through the bump. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops on your hook. This is how we make half double crochet. Now again yarn over, insert your hook into the next bump, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and pull through the 3 loops on your hook. This is how we make the half double crochet stitch. Now just make half double crochet into each chain till the end. Work in the back bump of your chains. It will give you this ending here. You will have a V stitch, a V ending instead of the regular only chain. If you work into the regular stitch, into the regular chain, I will show you the difference. Now you can see the difference at the bottom. Here is the V when we are working on the back bump, and here is the when we are working in the regular chain. Now let me finish my row 1 of half double crochet and see you in row 2. I finished my first row of half double crochet stitches. In the end you should have 78 stitches. Now I will switch my color so it will be easier for you to see. Chain 1, chain 1, chain 1 and turn your work. Now we will work into the third loop of our half double crochet. So when we are working half double crochet stitch, we have our regular V stitch here, the front loop, the back loop, and also when you turn here at the back we have one more loop. It's the third loop of the half double crochet stitch. We will work in that third loop of the half double crochet stitch. Now chain 1, and here you can see the third loop is in front of your work here, and we will work only in these third loops of the half double crochet. It will give us this ripped part of the pattern. So chain 1, we are working into the very first stitch, yarn over and insert your hook into this third loop of the first half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the half double crochet. Now just repeat again, half double crochet into the next third loop here, and just again. We will repeat this till the end of our row. I will make a few more. As you can see, here is the third loop, and I will just show you how the rip is coming and popping out. This is the rip part. Now just continue by making half double crochet into the third loop of each stitch till the end, till you reach the end. In the end we have a turning chain here. This is the turning chain, and we will just make half double crochet into this the third chain of this turning chain 3. So let me finish my row and I will show you row 3. I reached my last half double crochet, and now we have the turning chain left. As I said, we will just make half double crochet into the third chain, which is this one. I also want to show you how to change your colors. If you don't know the invisible change, we are changing colors without finishing our stitch. So we are making the half double crochet, but before we finish it, we attach the new color. And we are pulling through the new color through the 3 loops on our hook. And this is how you make the invisible change of colors. Then just chain 1, turn your work, and again make half double crochet into the third loop of your half double crochet. Here, here, here. This is the third loop. This makes the pattern reversible, and if you use it for a blanket or something, it will be reversible. I just wanted to show you the rip from the back and front. And now you can see we have one rip here, and when you turn we have another rip here. The difference is that in the first in the first, in one side we have the green color popping, and at the back we have the cream color popping. So I have a finished. So just repeat row 2 till you reach row 9, or you can make it a bigger. Mine is made with 9 rows. 9 rows. Just repeat row 2, and I just want to tell you that one rib is made of 2 rows, and we have at the back the same. Now I will show you how to make the twist. I have a finished piece here with different colors, so you will be able to see the both. As you can see, this is the brown color popping, and when you turn it we have the cream color popping. I forgot to tell you that when you make your first row, just take a measuring tape. When you finish your first row, take a measuring tape and measure your piece. I have my measuring tape is in centimeters, but 20 inch is 50 centimeters and 22 inches is 56 centimeters, so it measures perfectly, as you can see. So when you are making your size, your preferable size, just make sure that the foundation chain meets your requirement for your headband. If you made for a child, for example, and it must measure 16 inches, just make your foundation chain and first row to meet these 16 inches. So now let me show you how to make the twist. Just take the fold your piece like this, then take both sides, fold them again like that, and just insert them into each other. But do not insert them till the end. We have to have 2 holes here, just in the middle. Then take a tapestry needle. Just a second. When you finish your last row, leave a longer tail. I forgot to leave a longer tail, so I will put a new piece of yarn. Then let me continue. Insert your needle from all of the 4 parts. Make sure that the needle is going through all the 4 parts, and now just sew them together. Repeat it one more time so it will be more secure. And now take these both sides and just join them like this, and just sew them again together. It will make the twist more puffy. And now this is how we make the twisted neat look headband or ear warmers. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell button so you will be notified whenever we have a new video. See you soon, till next time.